You see my heart and my wife's heart. You know our longing, even the prayers we can't explain. I stand before you as a husband, asking not from pride but from faith. If it is your will, bless my wife's womb, let life begin where you choose.